Hi everyone, welcome to CRE 101. I'm J.Shaughnessy. I'm your instructor this semester. I thought I would do a video to begin this second module so you could see that there is a person behind the course that you are completing this semester. I've been at Chandler Gilbert for 12 years now, and I have taught CRE 101 almost every semester since I've been at the college. I absolutely love teaching this class. It's a really fun class and it's going to give you some great information going forward. I typically do teach in person, so this is definitely a bit of a learning curve for me in getting this course put online, but I worked a good amount this summer to make sure that I had everything that we need to accomplish online, able to be in video format or even just written format. And this way you will have all of your objectives met. Hopefully we'll have some fun. Hopefully we'll learn a few things. And so you can be rest assured that even though I normally teach in person, I'm doing pretty good at getting everything online. So I've even created this little teaching corner here in my house so that whenever I need to do videos to actually demonstrate things, I can use my little whiteboard back here. Or if you have any difficulties with anything, you are more than welcome to contact me. We can set up a web meeting and I can demonstrate things for you at that time as well. So just so you know that even though we're online, we can definitely have in-person interactions. So going forward, now that you have completed the Getting Started module, I hope everyone was successful in being able to maneuver through Canvas. I am trying to make this course very, very user-friendly. There are going to be some glitches here and there just simply because the entire world is online right now, and Canvas always has a few little surprises for us, but just know that I'm very easy to work with. If there's a problem technically, if there's a glitch, if I put something in incorrectly, please just let me know, and I'm always happy to fix it. I'm not somebody who is going to fight you over little things. I really want to work with my students.